Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign in two Apple IDs on your iPhone device at a time. So if you want to sign in two Apple IDs on your iPhone device at a time, so you will have to watch this video completely so that you will be able to sign in two Apple IDs on your iPhone, iPad device at our time. So now let's get started how you can sign in two Apple IDs on your iPhone device. So first of all, here you will have to open setting of your iPhone device. So here you can see that my Apple ID has been signed in on this iPhone device. So in order to sign in another Apple ID on your iPhone device, you will have to close this tab. Then after that, here you will have to search for App Store. So here is App Store. You will have to just simply open this. Then after that, here you will have to tap on your Apple ID profile. So here you can see that here is the Apple ID that is signed in on my iPhone device. So in order to sign in another Apple ID, here you will have to just simply scroll it below. Then here you will have to tap on sign out. So this Apple ID has been signed out from this iPhone device. So in order to sign in another Apple ID, you will have to just simply tap on sign in with Apple ID. After that, it's asking me to whether you want to sign in same Apple ID which is signed in on from settings. You will have to just tap on not. After that, here you will have to enter the Gmail of the Apple ID. I will have to just simply enter the Gmail address that is attached with my Apple ID. So I have entered the Gmail that is attached with my Apple ID. After entering the Gmail, you will have to just tap on continue. After that, here you will have to enter the password of the Apple ID that you want to sign in on your iPhone device. Then after entering the password, you will have to just simply tap on done. After that, here you will need to wait for a few seconds. So here you can see that the Apple ID is being signed in on my iPhone device. You will have to wait for a few seconds. Here you can see that Apple ID has been signed in on my iPhone device. Here you can see that this is another Apple ID, and from here you will have to close this tab and open setting. And from here you can see that this is another Apple ID on this iPhone device. Here you can see that this is another Apple ID, and from App Store is another Apple ID has been signed in on my iPhone device. So this is the way through which you can sign in two Apple IDs on your iPhone device at a time. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching this video.